Hello friends, welcome to the intro video of my new video series on Infoblox DNS, DHCP and IP address management solution. This video series focuses on establishing in-depth working knowledge on how to configure and operate Infoblox appliances and manage the DNS and DHCP protocols in Infoblox. This is the list of topics which I am planning to include in this video series. Each bullet point will be a separate video. I'll try to upload 2 to 3 videos per week and planning to complete the series in about 2 months' time. Let me walk you through the topics real quick. In the first set of videos, I will focus on the initial setup of Infoblox and familiarizing with the Infoblox UI, dashboard, navigation, menus, etc. I will also explain the different deployment strategies and the administration of Infoblox appliances, that is, setting the roles and permissions for users, groups, etc. Then I'll cover the DDI functionalities of Infoblox, starting with IP management. After that, I will be covering the DNS and DHCP concepts, the basic concept at first, and then I will explain about the advanced concepts in DNS and DHCP, such as DNSSEC, DNS Anycast, and DHCP failover associations, etc. After that, I'll be teaching how to manage your Windows DNS and DHCP servers using Infoblox. Then I'll explain on the monitoring, logging, and reporting features / functionality supported by Infoblox. And finally, I'll be covering the most commonly used CLI commands and explain about the RESTful interface exposed by Infoblox. Hope you will find this video series informative, and if you have any queries, post it in the comment section. I'll try to answer as many as possible. With that being said, let's conclude this intro video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.